Hello world. This is Yogi here again from Yogi and Design, a place to develop your creative skills. In today's video we are going to practice a logo design for Unlock Design using different geometrical shapes. I am going to use just text UND to create logo. So, without any delay, let's get started. So, first of all, let's make a sketch the logo. I am using mobile application to sketch. Better use pencil and paper to sketch. Okay, done. Now let's import the sketched image in Corel Draw. Here we are going to match the sketch using different geometrical shapes. Okay, now, let's create some shapes. Try to get the best way or create a best matching shape with your sketch. You can use circles and lines too. Okay, done with shapes. Now select the virtual segment delete tool and remove unwanted lines from the shapes we created. Purpose to do so is to get the UD logo shape. Now go to Smart Fill tool and fill the color where our main shape is. Okay, we have got the UD shape. Now let's create unlock design text. Choose your favorite font and adjust it in the best way you think. Play with color, try with some different colors and choose the best fitted color for logo. So that's all for today. If you like the logo design, then the created logo is also available for a giveaway. You just need to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. I will provide the download link. So friends, thanks for being here. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notification of the latest updates from our channel. See you soon in next video where we will discuss some other tips and tricks. Have a great day, goodbye.